And the last time you threw a fit because you wouldn't get it.
Yeah. Because I didn't put yips down there.
You really pronounced it a lot stronger than I did. You, the word heart is very pronounced. You're adding another something there that's...
Hold it, it's moving!
That's a pretty big piece of pizza.
Yeah. See, that's where we got a difference.
No, that's pretty big piece of light. They're big lights. Okay? Mommy, you don't do that when I'm eating you, okay?
Don't do what while you're eating? Move that light?
I'm talking to the pizza. I'm talking to the pizza.
You're talking to your pizza?
Yeah, cause it went upside down. On the black part.
I did that with the light so you can see the video better.
Drink.
Now you like that juice?
No. That's the only thing I have.
This is gonna have to work, huh?
That's the only thing I have, so I will, you know.
What did you want to eat? I mean drink.
Soda.
You wanted soda, but it's 7:30 at night.
But my mommy said I could have soda when I get home.
Even
So that time is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. That's the time. It's gonna be 12. Oh, it's gonna be 5.
if you have soda, you're probably gonna be up till 12.
No. Then I'll have to go a big poop.
You go, what?
And the poop is not gonna even fit in the toilet.
Pete, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Pete, don't. I don't even know what to say.
That was awesome.
That was awful.
Yeah, thanks, Mama.
Please don't say stuff like that in public. Please don't say stuff like that, period. I don't even know where she came from.
I thought that was hysterical.
From your belly.
I thought that was
Stop.
funny.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. That's just how I eat.
Peyton, that was the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Hello.
But you shouldn't do it in restaurants.
You do
I'm
it.
Yeah, but you shouldn't say it in restaurants.
Thank you.
Especially with a lot of people around.
Nothing, we're at dinner. Me, Danny, and Peter. We're having dinner.
Don't say that bad word, okay?
Mommy say a bad word?
No, we're leaving here soon. I'm gonna take Danny home.